Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Minutes View. As most of you might be knowing that last few days I have been making videos on some money earning opportunities based on fantasy cricket. So in this video I will cover several topics. I will give you predictions for today's matches to be played, today's match to be played in the Indian Premier League, and also the apps that are best to play these games. So today the match is to be played between Royal Challengers Bangalore and Kolkata Knight Riders. Please stay with me till the end of the video as the team predictions will give you good information. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the bell notifications icon so that you get to know about all this video whenever I upload them. Okay, another thing I would like to make very clear that these things are based on probabilities only, so nobody can say for sure which players will actually perform. I have made this video just to help you, make your calculations and select your final teams. But you have to make your own research also, and nobody can say for sure that this player will definitely play or not. So watch this video till the end. You'll get some good information. After that, you can decide how much money you want to invest and how much you can earn, how much confidence you have in your team. Also at the end, towards the end of the video, I will tell you about the best apps that let you earn more by investing less money. Okay, fine. Without discussing much, we straight away go to the point. I'll show you the probable teams, the probable 11 of both the teams. The teams Kolkata Knight Riders and Royal Challengers Bangalore. See, the final teams you will get to know about at 7 o'clock only when the toss will take place. Before that, we can only give you the probable teams. So it's better you watch my full video, have analysis on all the main players, and at 7 o'clock, if you see one or two changes in the team also, that wouldn't matter much. You can make the changes accordingly. Okay, so let's go to the probable playing 11. Okay, so this is the team. Kolkata Knight Riders opening will be done by Nitish Rana and Subman Gill. Well, team management might try for Karun Nair also because their top order is failing repeatedly. So Karun Nair might come in place of Nitish Rana or Gill. Well, that you will know at 7 o'clock only. Whosoever opens the innings, you have to take both the players, be it Karun Nair, Nitish Rana or anybody else. Okay. So at number 3, Rahul Tripathi will come. Then captain Ian Morgan. And after that, Dinesh Karthik, wicketkeeper. Then the all-rounders, Andre Russell, and followed by the bowlers. Pat Cummins, Sunil Narayan or Sakib Al Hasan, only one out of those two might be playing. Shivam Mavi, Varun Chakravarti and Prashit Krishna. In this RCB team, Royal Challengers Bangalore, Padikkal and Kohli will open the innings. Patidar come at number 3. Maxwell, De Villiers, Shabaz Nadeem or Washington Sundar, one of them will play. See, Shabaz Ahmed. See, Shabaz Ahmed and Washington Sundar, they're similar kind of bowlers, so one can't say for sure which one will play in that final 11. So that you will get to know after the toss only. Then comes Kyle Jamieson, Daniel Sams, Harshal Patel, Siraj and Chahal. Okay. In any fantasy app, you see there are 4 divisions: wicketkeeper, batsman, then all-rounders and then bowlers. Some of the apps mandate you to take at least 3 batsmen and 3 bowlers. Other apps just make sure that you need to take only 1 batsman, 1 bowler and 1 player from every department. Like My 11 Circle allows you to take even only 1 bowler and 1 batsman. But some other apps like Dream 11 and Player Spot, about which I told you earlier also, these apps mandates you to take at least 3 bowlers. Okay, you can make the teams accordingly. So first let us make sure which all players we are taking. Okay, for your proper understanding, I would like to underline the wicket keepers. These wicket keepers, you will have Dinesh Karthik, then AB de Villiers. Only 2 wicket keepers are there in this team. Some of the teams more wicket keepers are there, and they are kept under the wicket keeper section only. So out of these 2, whom we will take? Dinesh Karthik. Well, no, I don't think we will take him because he's not in that kind of a form. AB de Villiers. He is an excellent player and his record against Kolkata is also superb. In last match also you have seen how he scored 76, a quick fire 76 runs in very less balls, in I think 36 balls. So De Villiers will take in our team. Another thing you have to note about De Villiers is he scores more in the first innings. So if Royal Challengers Bangalore are playing in the second innings, are batting in the second innings, then you might consider not picking De Villiers, because he might not get that much batting. But if Royal Challengers Bangalore plays in the first innings, bats in the first innings, definitely you have to take De Villiers. Okay, so out of the wicket keepers, we have taken one, De Villiers. Now let us look out for the batsmen. Let me clear this first, this wicket keeper section. Okay, now in batsman section, who all are available? Nitish Rana or Karuna, whoever who plays. Then Subman Gill, then Rahul Tripathi, and Eoin Morgan. Four batsmen are there in Kolkata. In RCB, you have Padikkal, Virat Kohli, Rajat Patidar, and yeah, this much. Glenn Maxwell is an all-rounder. So out of these, which batsman we will consider? Uh, the openers, you definitely take Subman Gill and Nitish Rana. Rahul Tripathi is performing consistently, so take him also. Eoin Morgan you might leave. He's not in that type of great form. Even in the Indian England series also, before this IPL, you have seen Eoin Morgan is not performing that well. So you can leave him if you wish. Then from RCB, we take Padikkal, we take Kohli, we take Patidar. All these batsmen we will take. So total, how many batsmen you have taken? 6. And any app allows you to take maximum 6 batsmen only. Now we will go for the all-rounder section. Let's see which all options we are having in the all-rounder section in Kolkata team. We are having Andre Russell, Sunil Narayan or Sakib Al Hasan. Only one of them will play. They are also all-rounders. Pat Cummins is considered as a bowler only, although he bats well, but still in most of the apps you see he is kept under the bowler section only. Now in this RCB team, all-rounders you get Glenn Maxwell, one of the best. Shabaz Ahmed or Washington Sundar, they are also all-rounders only. Kyle Jamieson is kept under bowler section only. Daniel Sams, you have yet another all-rounder. So whom we will take out of these? Andre Russell is a must pick, because if the day he plays well, he can give you a lot of points in his own end. And Sunil Narayan or Sakib Al Hasan, well, I would like to leave them. They're not in that type of performing. Sunil Narayan is not performing with the bat. With the ball, in one match he got 2 wickets, but that's not enough to pick up in the team. Glenn Maxwell, a top pick for you. Don't leave him. We take Glenn Maxwell. Shabaz Ahmed and Washington Sundar. In one match, Shabaz Ahmed took 3 wickets, otherwise no such performances. Washington Sundar is also not performing well, so we leave him. Daniel Sams also we leave. So 2 all-rounders we have taken, Glenn Maxwell and Andre Russell. So we have taken 1 wicket keeper, 2 all-rounders and 6 batsmen till now. So 9 players we have already taken. Now let's go to the bowler section. This KKR bowlers, you have Pat Cummins, Shivam Mavi. Shivam Mavi is considered as all-rounder in some of the apps. You can check out. Varun Chakravarti and Prasidh Krishna. Out of these 4 bowlers, we will go with only 1 bowler. If you are playing in My 11 circle, if you are playing in Gamesy or Dream 11, then you have to take at least 3 bowlers. So currently we are taking the team based on My 11 circle only. So Shivam Mavi you can leave. He hasn't performed well. You know, in earlier match he got a good hitting also. Prasidh Krishna, good bowler, but can't say the best. I think we'll go with Pat Cummins only. Pat Cummins is a fast bowler. He bowls at a speed of 150 kmph. Even in Indian pitches, he consistently bowls at 145, 146, and he can bat also. So you're taking as a bowler, and if he bats, you get an additional advantage. And this Varun Chakravarti is a good bowler, but this pitch, I don't think it will favor the spinners much. So For now, we will not go with Varun Chakravarti. We'll leave Varun Chakravarti. Prasidh Krishna also I am leaving because the pitch is not that kind of spinner friendly. So only one bowler we have taken from KKR, Pat Cummins. From this RCB team, let's look out who are the bowlers. You get Kyle Jamieson, Harshal Patel, Mohammad Siraj, and Yuzvendra Chahal. Out of these, whom to take? Well, I think I will go with Harshal Patel. See, Harshal Patel has taken wickets in every match, and it happens that when a player plays good in every match, in one match he gets flop. After that, he performs again. So after playing so many good matches, in last match he got flop. He got no wickets. So probably in this match he will get much wickets and will perform better. So I'll go with Harshal Patel also. If you want to take some risk, you have option of Kyle Jamieson also. He's a good bowler. He's taking wickets regularly, although not like Harshal Patel, but still he's a good bowler and he bats also towards the end. Mohammad Siraj will leave. Chahal also will leave. Well, out of Jamieson and Harshal Patel, one bowler you need to take. So total we have taken two bowlers from the two teams. So 9 plus 2, 11. Now we are having 11 players. And in some of the apps where three bowlers are mandatory, you can leave one batsman. You can leave either Rajat Patidar or if RCB batting second innings, you can leave De Villiers also because second innings you won't get much chance to bat. And then you can take this Varun Chakravarti. Okay, now let's have a look at the final teams. Well, before that, I would like to discuss about the captain and vice captain. Let me clear this first. So, who should be your option for captain and vice captain? See, the good options, I think the best options will be this Virat Kohli, De Villiers, Maxwell, and from this team, no such good option. Nitish Rana, people might be making. You can try for Pat Cummins also. He took 3 wickets in last match, but can't say for sure. Okay, but whom I will suggest? I will not suggest these people because most people are making these top players as their captain and vice captain, and if they don't perform, you get behind many people. So it's better to choose among some of the uncommon people, uncommon players. This Pedicle is a good choice for you to make captain or vice captain. And Subman Gill, I'll take Subman Gill as my captain and vice captain. So out of these two, whom to make captain and whom to make vice captain? Well, in the second half there might be some due factor also. That's why I would suggest you to make captain from the second innings only. So if Kolkata bats second, you make Subman Gill as your captain and Padikkal as your vice captain. On the other hand, if RCB bats second, you make Padikkal as your captain and Subman Gill as your vice captain. And also try to take more players from the team batting second, because when they bat second, they get the advantage of batting in the dew, and it becomes very easy. On the other hand, bowling in the dew is very tough. So the team batting second bowls first. So in bowling department also they get the benefit of no dew. So it's better the team bowling first and batting next. You take more players from that team. Okay. So for now, I'm making this. Wait a bit. For now, I'm making this Pedicle and Gill as my captain and vice captain. Gill I'm making captain, and Pedicle I'm making vice captain. Don't forget what I said. Make captain from the team batting second only. So if Royal Challengers Bangalore bats second, make Pedicle as your captain and Gill as your vice captain. The other players we have taken. So let's number them. Nitish Rana. Well, instead of numbering, we can just take them. Nitish Rana we have taken. Gill we have taken as captain. Rahul Tripathi we have taken. And then we have taken the all-rounder as Russell, and Pat Cummins as the bowler we have taken. So 5 players we have taken from Kolkata, and in this RCB team, Pedicle we have already taken Kohli, Patidar, Maxwell, De Villiers, and one bowler as Siraj. 6 players from Royal Challengers Bangalore we are taking. And if you are playing in players spot or Dream 11, you need to drop one batsman. So it's better to drop one lower order batsman from the second innings, the team batting second innings, because it happens that in most matches, the team batting in second innings, they chase down the total with their openers or up to number 3 only. So if you are playing in Dream 11, you can select either of Varun Chakravarti or Prasidh Krishna. One bowler out of them you can take and drop one batsman, either De Villiers or Patidar. Don't drop De Villiers if Royal Challengers Bangalore bat first. If RCB bats second, then you can drop De Villiers because he might not getting red batting, because Padikkal, Kohli, Patidar, Maxwell, these 4 batsmen will be enough to chase down any target. There's just a possibility. You can take De Villiers and you can drop other batsmen also. If it's compulsory for you to take De Villiers, you can drop Rajat Patidar also and take a bowler. These things I am telling you to play in player spot and Dream 11, where it is mandatory to take 3 bowlers, at least 3 bowlers. If you are playing in My 11 circle, you get a benefit that there is no such mandatory. You can take only one bowler also. Okay, fine. So this is the team. You can note it down for your information purposes. No need to copy the same team. It's your strategy, it's your winnings. So it's better if you take ideas from the video. Sit at 7 o'clock, look at the toss, who wins the toss, and also look at the final teams. Then only make your final teams. So this was my team. I hope that by watching this my team and the details of this captain, vice captain, everything, you have got a basic idea of what kind of strategy you need to apply to win today's game. Okay, now I would like to tell you the apps that are best to play these fantasy games. See, there are several apps available in the market: Dream 11, My 11 Circle, and many others. The best out of these, I will inform you about only 2 apps that are best. If you are a beginner, you can start with these two apps. Even if you are an expert, you are playing in some other apps, then also you can join these 2 apps because they give several benefits as compared to other apps. The first app I would like to tell you about is My 11 Circle. See, in My 11 Circle, you can win 1 crore rupees at just a small entry fee of rupee 1. Which other app is giving this? No, nobody else. Also, if you join under my link, the link is given in the description of this video. If you join under my link, you can get up to 1500 rupees, 1500 joining bonus. What you have to do is just click on the link of My 11 Circle given in the description below this video. Click on the link. You straight away taken to the download page. Straight away download it, install it, and register with your phone number. After that, you will have to make the investment of whatever amount you like. Well, the best is to invest rupees 1000, because by investing rupees 1000, you can get up to rupees 1500 bonus. This 1500 rupees you won't get in cash, you will get as bonus. As you keep on playing the games, this bonus will be converted into cash. So that's a good idea. So just click the link of My 11 Circle, download and install it. After that, you register it and start playing. Another app is Player Spot. In Player Spot, what is the benefit? You can play in second innings also. Also, you can play this live fantasy. What is live fantasy? Means if you have forgot to make your team before starting of the game, you can make it in between the game also. 5-6 overs you can play. Suppose in the first innings you play from 5 to 9 overs. Then in the same innings you can play from 15 to 20 overs. Again, do the same thing in the second innings also. So that obviously improves your earnings, and it gives a better opportunity for you to earn more. So to download Player Spot, don't search it in the internet, because you will get many fake apps also that might impersonate this app, and you might fall in a scam also. So the best way to install Player Spot app is click the link below in the given in description. the player spot link given in the description. First you register it. After clicking the link, you will see my referral code also. The benefit of referral code will be that after registration you will get up to rupees 50 rupees 50 bonus. So what you have to do is click on the link of player spot given in my link in the description of my video. Click the link. Registration page will open. Simply register it with your phone number. After that you need to verify your email also. You will get a link in email. So in the email you get the download link. So the best way and the safest way to download is using the link received in email only. You will not get trapped in any type of scam. So what to do is to join player spot. Click the link given in the description. The player spot page will open up, registration page. First register it with your mobile number and email. After that you will receive a mail on your email to verify it. So first you verify it, then click the download link in the mail itself. After that you log in using your phone number that you used during registration. Don't use any other phone number, that's a must. So simply these two apps I think are the best, My 11 Circle and Player Spot. If you have not yet joined them, just use the links below to join them, and I know you will earn big. And further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, like my video, comment on it if you want anything else, and also click on the bell notification icon. Okay, fine, that's all in this video. So see you in my next video. Till then, happy winnings.